Dajiahao, ni hao, welcome back to Bog's Kitchen's channel. In today's video, we're going to make zucchini salad that's famous in China. Our ingredients are, of course, zucchini, minced garlic, spring onion, chili powder, sugar, salt, light soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil, oyster sauce, and sesame seed. And we need here also 2 tablespoons of olive oil for our sizzling oil. Just grate your zucchini just like this. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it. And we're going to wash it. So we're going to grip it just like this and put it in a bowl and set aside. So we need 3 cloves of garlic here. We're going to mix it, add our spring onion, add our half teaspoon of chili, add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and add the sizzling olive oil here. So we're going to add 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well until well combined, and we're going to add it on our zucchini. Mix it well and done. So that's it, guys. I hope you like our recipe for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, everyone. God bless. Bye.